We live in this era of social media where we are always comparing ourselves with others. First things first, let's acknowledge that everyone has insecurities. It's completely normal, but the key is not to let them control your life. I am not going to waste more time. Here are some actionable steps to help you overcome these insecurities and become the best version of yourself. Step 1. Embrace your height. Height is a common insecurity, especially for shorter guys. But remember, height doesn't define your worth. Here are a few style tips to help you look taller and feel more confident. Wear fitted clothing. Baggy clothes can make you look shorter. Your pants should cover 2/3 of your outfit. Brands like Uniqlo offer great options for fitted clothing. Choose the right shoes. Shoes with a slight heel, like Chelsea boots or Air Force Ones, can give you an extra inch or two without looking unnatural. Vertical stripes. Incorporate vertical stripes into your wardrobe. They create an illusion of height. Step 2. Hair care and styling. Hair can be a major source of insecurity, whether it's thinning hair or just not knowing how to style it. Here's what you can do. Find the right hairstyle. Consult with a barber to find a hairstyle that suits your face shape. If you are struggling with bad hairline, try hairstyles like textured fringe that will cover your hairline. Products like American Crew Fiber can help you achieve a stylish look. If you're dealing with thinning hair, consider using products like Rogaine or biotin supplements to promote hair growth. Regular maintenance. Keep your hair healthy by using quality shampoos and conditioners. Step 3. Skincare routine. Your face is often the first thing people notice, and having clear skin can boost your confidence immensely. Here's a simple skincare routine. Use a gentle cleanser like CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser to remove dirt and oil. Keep your skin hydrated with a moisturizer like Neutrogena Hydro Boost. If you have acne, consider using products with salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide. Step 4. Fitness and body image. Body insecurities can be tough, but remember, fitness is a journey. Here are some tips to help you feel better about your body. Set realistic goals. Start with achievable fitness goals. Apps like MyFitnessPal can help you track your progress. Incorporate a mix of cardio and strength training. Fuel your body with nutritious foods. Try to eat more protein and less carbs to maintain muscles and low body fat. Finally, the most important step is to work on your mindset. Self-acceptance is key to overcoming insecurities. Practice gratitude. Start a gratitude journal and write down things you appreciate about yourself. Use positive affirmations daily. Try to do prayers every day at least once per day. Trust me, it will help with your mental health. Insecurities are just a part of being human. But with the right mindset and actions, you can overcome them and become more confident. Drop a comment below about which tip you're going to try first. Until next time, stay confident and keep shining.